Hi, I'm Hilma Volk, and I have not had a professional haircut since February, and now it's like September 7th. And not that my hair looks all that great, but the pandemic happened and couldn't get a haircut. But let me show you what it looked like my last haircut. She really cut me way too short, but it might have been a premonition for the pandemic to come. So I don't know if you can see this. She really cut it short. And I had that picture taken right before my passport picture and my driver's license, so I'm stuck with that haircut for 4 years of my driver's license and 10 years of my passport. And so I would let my hair grow longer than this, except as I got older, I mean like really older, my hair started getting wavy, a little bit wavy, which used to be stick straight. The problem with that waviness is it's as soon as it gets a certain length, it starts to flip up on both sides uncontrollably. And the hairdresser couldn't do anything about that except cut it off. And so what I've been using is the Wall kit, W-H-A-L, and it's a professional clipper and and salon kit that I bought, I don't know, maybe 5-6 years ago, but I was always afraid to use it. And I can't show you how I'm using it because I probably don't use it the right way, but their website does have videos of how to use it, and there's different type of lengths of things. I think I've got 2 in there at once, but there's 8 different things, tools like this, attachments to the clippers, plus there's a professional scissors, so you're not using the dollar store ones, and I haven't used the oil yet for the clippers, and there's a little brush in there which I have to figure out how to use it, but their website does have instructions on how to cut the hair correctly. I'm quite sure I'm not using it right, but as soon as it gets a little bit flippy on the sides or too long in the bangs, I start with these clippers, and it's got a good cord on it, like it's like an 8-foot cord. And I'll just put a link below, which is my Amazon link. They have different models of kits. I'm not even sure what this model is, but like I said, 5-6 years old at least, but just it's only been the last few months that I've been trying it. What's today? September 7th. And and I've had worse haircuts than what I've got now. I know it's not great, but I may never get a professional haircut again. So look in the description below for my link, because if you go to my link, it's an Amazon link, truthfully, and I'm an associate of Amazon, like a lot of people are. And these kits range from like $35 to $45 on the low end, and if you want to spend a lot more money, there's other ones, but you can get a good one for $35 to $45. And it's for men, women, kids, you know, hair.